Just in time for Halloween, a new app can predict whether or not the Grim Reaper is nearby. Medical reporter Liz Bonis shares how it may inspire you to improve a few healthy habits.
Hey there, everybody. It's a little spooky, you might say, but if you want to go to your phone and download one of the newest death clock apps, it's powered by AI, and it will give you information on longevity. All that exercise and healthy food might pay off. Brent Franson, the CEO and founder of Death Clock, told me.
I was misdiagnosed as bipolar and put on a number of different medications I didn't need.
His own quest to get off these medications and improve his health.
I've been on this journey to really figure out how on my own to live my life in a way that helps me have high quality days and lots of years.
Led him to do what Dr. John Mendelsohn recently started doing, get on a longevity journey. Based on the app,
I'm living till I'm 106 years old.
John recently started hormone replacement therapy with the help of Ohio's advanced vitality nurse practitioner, Kati, Vincent. What else works?
If you can stress less, if you can sleep well, and you can eat better, those are the best things you can really do for your health.
The Death Clock app asks you to answer about 25 questions about those things. Artificial intelligence then uses health and life insurance data and calculates the date you'll die.
AI is a good way to do that.
My date, Friday, March 6th, 2076. Guess you're stuck with these health reports for a while. Now you can search this app in the App Store on your phone in Health and Fitness. It's free to download, and for the first 7 days to find out your how long you're going to live score. If you do want longevity lessons after that, there is a monthly fee. With your health news, I'm Liz Bonis reporting.